Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Allie Gooch. If you are new, welcome. Here on my channel, I do a lot of cleaning and organization, mommy lifestyle videos, and we would love to have you if you are not already a part of the channel. So today I'm gonna be going through my kitchen and decluttering and organizing, and then I'll be doing a little bit of light cleaning as well. We moved into this house about 4 months ago, and there's just a few areas that never got organized, and I'll be honest, it's driving me a little bit nuts. So that's what we're gonna do today, and let's get started.
It's okay. Pretty demons never show, shifting shapes in millenniums, but you're okay. I don't have the pieces of your home, buried in the flashbacks. All these wicked nightmares have gone cold. Now we go way, way back, as far as way back goes. Standing by your side, you know I'll be right here when all the monsters come. Oh, I've got you. I've got you.
All right, so here is what I just pulled out of that little pantry next to the refrigerator. It's just a lot of random stuff, and honestly, it's a lot of like pumping and bottle parts. Oakley doesn't really take a bottle, and I don't really pump a whole lot anymore. So I'm gonna probably put this not away completely because you never know, but I'm gonna put it in a space that doesn't need to be as easily accessible. So that's what I'm gonna do now. And pretty much it was just a lot of junk thrown in there. So like I said, I'm gonna organize it in a little bit of a better way. So I took everything out of this little pantry area. Honestly, it's kind of awkward. These are, it doesn't really show on camera, but these are really, really deep. It goes really far back there, and they're kind of narrow. So it's not the most practical space, but I'm gonna try and make it work. So really quickly, I'm going to share with you what I did here in this cabinet next to the refrigerator. So up here used to be all of our food storage containers, but I got this. This is by the brand Inner Design, and it's just for lids, and it is a little bit bulky, but it does help organize. So I have this one up here, and then on this shelf I have all of the bottoms. So glass, in the back is some more glass, and then this one is just in a little basket that I can pull out and get anything I need to out of it or from behind it. Then down here is a basket of paper plates and plastic silverware. We don't use it very often, but we have it. And then right here is our Ziploc bags. Again, we don't use these very often, but we have them, so they're nice and handy in a basket now if we ever need them. And then our aluminum foil and plastic wrap is right here. And then down here, this basket will be filled once I'm done with the laundry with dishcloths and our dish towels and things like that. And then also we have our oven mitts. And then this shelf, Andrew's on an Arbonne diet, so I have all of his stuff in this handy little basket. He can just pull it out, grab what he needs. It used to be all sitting on the counter over there, which was driving me nuts. So now it is stored away. And here it has a nice little home. And then down here is our coffee. So when Andrew goes to make coffee in the morning, he can just grab this little basket out of the shelf or out of the cabinet. And then back there is extra water filters for our zero water water filter system that we have in our refrigerator. And then the last shelf is all breast pump parts, bottles. That's what's all in that back basket back there. And then these are breast milk storage bags. These are little Medela micro steam bags. You stick them in the microwave and it disinfects or sanitizes like bottles and breast pump parts and things like that. And then this is a pump. It's called the Haka. I'm not really sure how you pronounce it, but this thing's really cool, and I use this in a pinch all the time. And then just some breast milk storage bags, and then the Boone grass drying mat that I use when I need to dry bottles and things like that. Before I load everything into the under the sink area, I wanted to show you guys how I'm organizing. So in the back here is things that I don't really use very often. They're just either extras or things that we just really don't use very often. So I have this little container. It's a long container that I got from the dollar store. It's really good quality, and they're just great to organize with. So I just loaded everything in that little container. And then this is a little shelf. It's by the brand Inner Design, and I love everything from that brand because they're all like this clear. So this is just a little shelf to help me utilize the vertical space in this cabinet. And then this is a little basket from Target. They have all kinds of sizes of these, and I really like them. And so in this one, I actually have a whole lot more. They're just in the washing machine right now. They're almost done. But these are all my cleaning rags. So I just put them in there, which will be easy. If I ever need one, I can just pull this basket out, grab one, and then push this back in. So this is the finished under the kitchen sink organization. Right here is a Grove caddy that has a bottle of multi-purpose cleaner that I use for everything, and I needed to have it handy because I grab for this a lot. Then back behind there are 2 sets of rubber gloves. This is a big old glass jar full of dishwasher pods, and I like to have this handy. It's nice just to be able to lift the lid, grab one out when you need it. And then back behind that is another little glass jar, and this is full of grocery bags, and I went through and made sure that these didn't have any holes in them. I only use these really for our trash cans in our bathroom, so I didn't really need to have it handy. I just needed to have it there, so that's why I put it back behind this big glass jar. Then underneath this shelf, I already showed you, this is our basket of cleaning cloths. And then this is another one of those little containers from the dollar store. And here is, it's a little bit like rubbery, grippy at the bottom. I love these things. So I just have this one full of magic erasers. We use these mostly just in the bathroom, but sometimes I use them in the kitchen. And then this is a basket from the dollar store that is full of just kind of miscellaneous stuff. Fruit and veggie wash, household cleaner concentrate that turns into this when you add water to it. I use this as a soft scrub, not as a dishwashing powder. And then this is our stainless steel cleaner, the Wyman's one. I really like that. I use this sometimes for our floors. This is the cooktop cleaner that we really like to use on our glass cooktop. So this is just a miscellaneous basket. And then this is another, this is another miscellaneous basket. I think I got this from Target and they're stackable. I lost the other one, but I used to have 2 of them. And this is just full of like sponges, scrubbers, trash bags, and just kind of a few other miscellaneous things. So that is under the kitchen sink, and I'm really happy with how it turned out. And then I wanted to show you this really quick. We just got these off of Amazon, but they're really nice to have to keep the kiddos out from under the sink, since there's some stuff in there that I don't really want Emmy to get into, like the dishwasher pods and a few other cleaning supplies. So I actually have these linked in my Amazon storefront if you guys want to check those out, but they're really nice. So that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys maybe got some cleaning and organization motivation for yourselves. Make sure that you are subscribed to the channel so you don't miss any of the videos that we have coming up. Follow us on Instagram at allie_gooch to keep up with us there on a more day-to-day basis. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.
On a run from my given disaster, speed away from the holy mind.